Hi, my friends. Welcome to literacy. Okay, so you need to have, oh my gosh, we've got so much work because we missed Monday. And we've got to get through our lowercase letters before kindergarten. So you should have 4 sheets. One has a goat on the front for G. The second one has 4 words that begin with G. The third one has U with an umbrella. And the fourth one has 4 words that begin with U. Wow, 4 pages. If you can make it through 4 pages, I want your parent or your caregiver to give you the biggest gigantic star right across each page. Okay, absolutely. That is a lot of work. So let's get our exercises ready. Let's wheel our fingers, get them ready for their, I always say get ready for training to do some walking or running with our fingers when we write. Okay, now put together and press. And pull. And switch and pull. And which one am I forgetting? Well, let's do our pincher also. Pinch our hair, pinch our nose, pinch our cheek, pinch our ears, pinch our belly button. Okay, just with the finger you're gonna write. Okay, and then let's hug and switch and shrug our shoulders forward this time, and then shrug our shoulders backwards and straight up. Okay, now you need to make sure you're sitting in a chair. No sitting on the floor right now. No sitting on your bunk bed. No sitting on the roof, or no sitting in the garden. Sitting on a chair. Now, this is your first page. And proper writing position is one hand down that you don't write with, and the other one a colored pencil or a crayon. I have a colored pencil, and I'm going to do tripod grip. Tri means 3. 1, 2, and tall man is the little resting place, and the other 2 can be tucked. Okay? Remember, guys, posture, vertebrae, straight. We can lean over a little bit. Opposite arm of your writing one, holding your paper and your tripod grip. Okay, are you ready? Well, to begin, we are just going to use our imagination pencil crayon while we practice in the air. So, lowercase g is very, very different than its capital. Capital G, magic C, and then a little line across, right? And G says g, g, or ja, ja, like a J. Lowercase c is like making an A, and it's like making a D, but instead, I like to say you go fishing down below the line. So, we're going to have our magic C. No writing yet. You can use your imagination one. Imagination magic C. Okay, don't stop because you're going to go helicopter up and down just like we did for A. But now, I like to say go fishing with a curve. Okay, so let's try that again. Take your pincher grip, magic C, go up and down and go fishing. And that's your little fishing hook, okay? And remember, we're going to start on the belt line. Magic C goes to the foot line, up like a helicopter, down, and keep going and go fishing. Do you remember what we call this line? The head line, the belt line, and the foot line. And when you get to kindergarten, your belt line is going to actually have little spaces in between. It's going to be more like that when you get to kindergarten, okay? But I drew 3 lines instead. So let's try that now with your first page, and let's trace over. Magic C. Now Magic C, go up like a helicopter, and then Magic C, go up like a helicopter and go down, and Magic C, go up like a helicopter, go down, and make a curve, or go fishing. Alrighty, now get your real pencils and your real crayons, and let's trace over the first G, the second G, and then 1, 2, all by yourself. Okay, Teacher Shelley will do that right now too. The very best work you can do. And starting on the dot, trying to stay between those 2 lines. And then you can color your goat. Do you know the song about Bill Grogan's goat? Bill Grogan's goat was feeling fine, ate 3 red shirts, make some shirts right off the clothesline. Bill took a stick and gave him a whack. This is kind of sad. And he tied him to the railroad track. The whistle blew. The train grew nigh. Bill Grogan's goat, there's his 3 red shirts, was doomed to die. He gave 3 coughs of mortal pain and coughed up those shirts. And guess what he did? He made a big red flag with all those shirts that he coughed up. Look at that. And he flagged the train, and the train stopped. So Bill Grogan's goat did not die by the train. No. So I made 3 red shirts for fun. That song was around when Grandma Dorothy was little. It's called Bill Grogan's Goat. Go. Okay, are you ready for page 2? Okay, page 2 has 3 G words. Now remember to look at the picture for a clue. It will usually tell you what to do. If you look at this, it says green. So what does this say? Green. Make a G in between those lines. Look at the picture. It gives you a clue. It tells you what to do. What are those? Grapes. Trace the G. That spells grapes. Okay, trace the G. The next one, look at the picture. It will tell you what to do. Guitar. That must be guitar. Trace the G and don't forget to go fishing. What a short, easy word. Gas. Look at the picture. It tells you what to do. Trace the G. What does it spell? Gas. You've got it. Okay, now on the back, we have a student that begins with G, and her name is, in the afternoon class, Gabrielle, but it's a name, so we start with a capital. I'm going to do lowercase letters now. Gabrielle. If you want to, you can try writing Gabrielle, or you can try writing a few shorter G words like G-O. What does that spell? You got it. Go. Or got. He got an owie. Got. Okay, or how about gum? Teacher Shelley loves gum. G-U-M. Okay, 3 small G words, or Gabrielle with a capital G. Okay, let's get out our U page, my friends. Here we go. And my video might cut short, so I'll have to maybe have 2 videos for letter C. Okay, we're not going to go fishing with lowercase u, okay? But we are going to start in the middle line like we do with almost all the lowercase letters. So I'm going to make a little dot there, and I'm going to go down and curve just like uppercase and back up, and I can't stop there. I have to go straight back down. Bump and stop. So lowercase u fits right in between both lines. Start at the belt. I'm going to do a different color. Straight down, touch the bottom curve, straight up and down. Want to try that with your pinch your fingers in the air, my friends? Straight down, touch the bottom curve, straight up and down. Uppercase or capital U looks kind of like lowercase, but you don't have to come back down, do you? No, you use all 3 lines, but you don't have to come back down. Okay, look at, I left a space there, so I want you to try to touch that bottom line. So my friends, we have 1, 2, 3 U's and 2 by yourself. 3 plus 2 equals how many U's? 5. You've got it. And color your umbrella. Okay. Now it says to make a U, down, travel up, and back down. Bump. Okay. Now, your U words. Look at the picture. It'll tell you what to do. What are those people doing? U says up. Up. Excellent. Okay, look at the picture for a clue. This does not begin with U, but U is inside that word. What is that? You've got it. Skunk. Skunk. Okay, look at the picture for a clue. They're under an umbrella. Is this word under, or is this word umbrella? I'll give you a clue. It's 2 syllables. Under. Under. Trace the U. Now I know with this one you want to say scissors. Look at the picture for a clue. But scissors does not have a U in it. This is a clue. Those scissors are about to do what? Cut. Cut has a U in it. T. Trace the U and our word says cut. Okay, now some U words. For sure you can write up by yourself. 1 syllable. How about umbrella? A 3-syllable word by yourself. Umbrella. Can you think of another U word? Under. A 2-syllable word. Under. All right, my friends, when you're done with all 4 pages, you should get a giant star on each one. I'll see you next for honeybees. Au revoir.